And Mark Zuckerberg overtaking Warren Buffett. So this is a story of youth over age and perhaps experience, and certainly the rise of technology.
Yes, one of the things that this clearly shows is that technology is now the driving wealth generator in the world. The top 3 richest people in the world are all tech billionaires. You have Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg.
When it comes to how rich you get on your tech company, holding a big stake in it is very important. Are there other people out there who might be as rich if they hadn't sold more?
Well, one thing that is actually really interesting, Zuckerberg has passed Warren Buffett, but that is largely because Warren Buffett has given away a lot of Berkshire Hathaway's shares. He's given away about $50 billion worth.
Whoa.
Yeah, so actually, if you count all the stock that if he hadn't given away, he'd be much higher up.
And of course, Bill Gates has also given away tons of money.
Yes. Now, so if we look at the actual order here, we're talking about Jeff Bezos as the richest, and then wealthiest, and then Bill Gates as second, and Mark Zuckerberg as third. Remind us how we calculate that someone is the wealthiest person. We're looking at their stock value, but what else are we considering?
We're considering their assets, their holdings, but one of the most, we track and we in real time to look at the value of their stock, and that is what allows you to see who's up and who's down day to day for the most part.